Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, traders. Hope you're well. I wanted to quickly jump on to give you a short idea on the Bitcoin chart. As you can see, we've got a head and shoulders pattern that is played out here on the 30-minute chart. And generally, this is a bearish pattern if it closes below this neckline over here. So if you have a look at the patternsite.com, we've got a bit of a complex head and shoulders tops. And one of the things that you can do is you can actually trade the kind of shoulder within the shoulder. You can see there's two shoulders there. And as you can see, one shoulder, second shoulder. So you could have actually taken a short there and gone down. Now, this obviously could be a risky trade because you've had a very, very nice move to the upside here. And as you can see, I've entered a position round about 21450, and the breakout target, if price should break out here, is the very, very easy measure rule. Is you take from the top of the head to where the neckline is, and if price breaks down below that neckline, that would be your price target. So 20,139. And as you can see, there's a monthly level right down here. So if price breaks down, I'll probably take a TP1 round about there, the $20,000, $100 area, and see if price will move down. So the other thing that you can have a look at is the divergences. And at the moment, we can, awesome oscillator. There could be a slight divergence here. You can see price making a higher high and the oscillator almost making a higher or lower high. But that seems to be breaking through. If we look at the RSI, definitely a higher high on price, as I said. And the oscillator is making a lower high. Let's look at what OBV is telling us. On balance volume, last time I checked, that was not making it is actually possibly making a lower, no, not quite a lower high. But what made me into this trade is if we look at the CVD and the open interest, you can see price there making a higher high, but the CVD, cumulative volume delta, making a lower high, which means that this could be leading price at the moment. This is an indication of all of the longs and the shorts, and at the moment it seems there's more shorts that are opening. Also, what we can see here for this move up, we've had open interest decline, which means that this move up has been predominantly due to shorts closing. And once those shorts start closing, those guys are going to want to make their money back. And if we get an open interest increase here and a price decrease, this could be a really, really good move. Another reason that I find confidence on, if we look at the TPO charts, is that there is a failed auction, or it's literally a failed auction that has happened here. And we can see that by this right here. That means that the buyers have run out of steam. They couldn't push the price higher there. And we're also right at the value area high of the day. So for me, this is a high probability trade. I could have waited for price to come up and go maybe a swing failure pattern above this $21,800 area. But I think this could really, really play out. And I think London is about to open. So probability of price moving down when we've got this failed auction here, all the way down to that value area low at the $21,100 area, and possibly lower between the previous day's value area low, is a very big likelihood. So if you're taking this trade, make sure you set your stops. Probably, I'd say just above this $21,600 area, because we could still get wicks above this area here, above the head, 21,700. So if you like this idea, just give me a thumbs up. And if you're trading it, obviously not financial advice, do your own research, but this is what I'm doing with my trades. Hope you have a great trading day, and I'll see you in the next video. Cheers.